Imagine hitting the open road, the wind in your hair, the freedom of adventure at your fingertips. But this isn't just any road trip. This is an experience like no other, a journey powered by a unique fusion of mobility, comfort, and sustainability. Welcome to the world of the Tricycle RV Camper, the compact yet incredibly versatile home on wheels that's redefining how we explore the world. The concept of a Tricycle RV Camper takes the best of both worlds: affordable, efficient travel and compact, self-sustaining living. It's a camper designed to give you the thrill of motorcycling with the convenience of an RV. Unlike traditional campers or large motorhomes that require serious parking space and fuel consumption, this small yet mighty innovation is perfect for solo travelers, digital nomads, and eco-conscious adventurers looking for an alternative to the usual road trip experience. One of the biggest advantages of a Tricycle RV Camper is its size. Imagine navigating effortlessly through narrow roads, bustling city streets, or off-the-beaten-path trails that would be impossible for a full-sized RV. With its three-wheel structure, it's designed for stability while maintaining a sleek and lightweight build. Whether you're weaving through urban traffic or cruising down a scenic highway, this camper offers the best of maneuverability and adventure. Let's talk about the design. Despite its compact frame, a Tricycle RV Camper is packed with smart, space-saving features. A fold-out bed, a small kitchenette, storage compartments, and even solar panels for off-grid energy use make it a self-sufficient unit. Many models also feature retractable awnings and outdoor cooking stations, allowing you to maximize space without sacrificing comfort. And with modern materials making them lighter and more aerodynamic, you get a smooth ride with improved fuel efficiency. The eco-friendliness of these campers is another major selling point. With the world shifting towards greener alternatives, a Tricycle RV Camper stands out as a sustainable option. Many come equipped with electric or hybrid engines, reducing emissions and making them an excellent choice for the environmentally conscious traveler. Solar panels provide additional power, ensuring you can charge your gadgets, light up your space, and even run small appliances without relying on fossil fuels. For those who love the van life but want something more unique and affordable, this might just be the perfect solution. You get the mobility of a motorcycle, the efficiency of a compact vehicle, and the convenience of an RV, all in one. And let's not forget the cost savings. With traditional RVs or camper vans, expenses for fuel, parking, and maintenance can add up quickly. A Tricycle Camper, on the other hand, offers a budget-friendly way to explore without breaking the bank. Now, imagine waking up in the middle of a breathtaking landscape, whether it's a mountain range, a tranquil beach, or a dense forest. You step outside, stretch, and brew a fresh cup of coffee right from your mini kitchen. No need for expensive hotels, no rigid schedules, just pure, unfiltered adventure. This is the beauty of a Tricycle RV Camper. It gives you the freedom to go wherever your heart desires, at your own pace. The growing community of Tricycle RV Camper enthusiasts is another reason to consider joining the movement. Across the world, travelers are embracing this minimalist yet adventurous lifestyle, sharing tips, modifications, and the best routes to explore. From solo travelers documenting their journeys to DIY enthusiasts building custom campers from scratch, the possibilities are endless. Whether you're looking for weekend getaways or full-time off-grid living, this vehicle is adaptable to your needs. But what about comfort? While it may seem like a smaller vehicle would lack amenities, many modern designs are incredibly innovative. Some models feature climate control, foldable furniture, and even small entertainment systems. Advanced suspension systems and ergonomic seating ensure a comfortable ride, whether you're traveling short distances or embarking on a cross-country road trip. Safety is also a top priority. Unlike traditional motorcycles, a Tricycle RV Camper offers enhanced stability due to its three-wheel design. Some models include roll bars, reinforced cabins, and weather-resistant features to ensure a safe and secure journey in various conditions. Add to that modern braking systems and GPS tracking, and you have a vehicle that is not just fun but also reliable. Customization is another exciting aspect. Depending on your needs, you can modify your Tricycle camper to fit your lifestyle. Need more storage? Install extra compartments. Want an extended outdoor space? Attach a retractable tent. The versatility of these vehicles allows you to make them truly your own, ensuring your adventures are as comfortable and convenient as possible. And let's talk about the fun factor. Driving a Tricycle camper is unlike anything else. You get the open road experience of a motorcycle, but with the added benefit of carrying everything you need for a comfortable stay. Whether you're heading to a festival, camping in the wilderness, or simply exploring new cities, you'll turn heads and spark curiosity wherever you go. People love seeing unique, out-of-the-box travel solutions, and this one is guaranteed to start conversations. So, is a Tricycle RV camper right for you? If you love adventure, value efficiency, and want a unique way to explore the world, then the answer is a resounding yes. It's not just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle. A symbol of freedom, sustainability, and creativity. Whether you're a weekend traveler, a digital nomad, or someone looking to break free from conventional travel methods, this is a game changer. And let's talk about the fun factor. Driving a Tricycle camper is unlike anything else. You get the open road experience of a motorcycle, but with the added benefit of carrying everything you need for a comfortable stay. Whether you're heading to a festival, camping in the wilderness, or simply exploring new cities, you'll turn heads and spark curiosity wherever you go. People love seeing unique, out-of-the-box travel solutions, and this one is guaranteed to start conversations. So, is a Tricycle RV camper right for you? If you love adventure, value efficiency, and want a unique way to explore the world, then the answer is a resounding yes. It's not just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle. A symbol of freedom, sustainability, and creativity. Whether you're a weekend traveler, a digital nomad, or someone looking to break free from conventional travel methods, this is a game changer.